Hey guys, I'm Eddie V, and today I'm gonna show you guys why you need this guy. Alrighty guys, so thank you for joining the channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, share my channel guys. Subscribe, support this channel. Let's get going on. Alright guys, what I just showed you was a CB radio, and here's why you guys need it. Alright truckers, this is a CB radio. Maybe I'll do another video of showing you guys how to use it. But let's recall why you guys need a CB radio. It's very important. I hate when I had to drive a company truck with no CB radio, and sometimes you switch company trucks quite a bit. It gets annoying to set up CB radio and antennas all the time, so may as well buy yourself a portable one. But anyway, what do you call, do you guys recall the accident or the humongous crash where people died in the Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas area? I'm pretty sure you guys do. You guys heard it all over the news. Here's the cause why that accident happened. It happened because a lot of the no-speak English drivers, or the people who are from a different country with an accent and everything, I'm not discriminating everyone. I'm not racist. Let them drive. Okay, let them drive. This is a free country. Do whatever you want. But guys, learn the language, English, and learn how to use that CB radio. Guys, there was a huge argument on Facebook, or not a huge argument, but general and all over on media, that actually CB radio would have saved lives. Why? First trucker going through there notices there's ice. He may have wrecked or slid off the road, yes, but he's the only one. He would go on the CB radio, hey, it's icy, slow down guys, stop at this mile marker, whatnot. Everybody gonna stop and slow down, and there shouldn't be that issue. So guys, if truckers during that time use CB radios, every single one of them, and had it turned on and knew how to use it, and if they would have listened, there would have been no pile up. Back in the 80s, they said there was no such things as piled ups because everyone used CB radios. Everyone knew what was going on. Nowadays, you got people who don't use CB radios and they keep driving. They don't know if there's ice in the road, and they don't even look at the weather forecast on their phone before starting. What I also recommend, guys, if you don't have a CB radio, try to set up your iPad that uses a logbook, a quick access to radar. Quick access to a radar, a storm, so you guys can see what storm is coming up or what kind of weather conditions, or have a radio where it tells you road conditions. But anyway, pay attention guys, use that CB radio, very important, it saves lives. Everyone's supposed to use CB radios, and it helps you avoid tickets too. If there's cops hiding anywhere, yes, tell everyone about it, that there's cops hiding this mile marker. Use a CB radio guys, tell if scale houses are open or closed. It does save a whole bunch of things. So truckers, learn the language if you don't know it, and buy yourself a CB radio. At least listen to it if you don't know how to talk into one. At least do that, and you could be a whole lot off better. And report everything you see on the road that's could be a danger to other truckers. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Keep on trucking. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2064 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.